Alright guys, I know it's been a little bit since I uploaded, but we're about to pull up to my buddy Brady's house and get the power steering out of the Integra and put it in the other Integra. F20B Accord. What's up, bud? So as you can see, we got the power steering pump out, the hoses to it, and we're about to take the bracket out to put in the other Integra. You guys know this is the next project right here. We're gonna be tearing that motherfucker apart. Just so you guys know, I didn't really put this in the video, but you gotta unscrew that. You gotta unscrew this 10. Then there's 2 10s that bolt up to the power steering. At the end right here, and it's dripping.
Yeah, we're gonna
What you got there again?
You got a big old head. We took a damn break.
Yeah.
Getting the back seats in this motherfucker. Got Jeffrey here. Baby's hand.
I I put the keys on, but I can't have the ignition turned on. Baby, put your arms around me, baby.
So basically all we gotta do is screw this back in and then put the bolt back in it, put these two bolts back on.
Pressure back here when it took out.
We're taking off this fuel rail and then
This one right here, if you want to see the one that's going on it.
sexy. Then we just have the back of the back seats left after tightening everything down, making sure it's in working order. Just so you guys know, the back seats back here are relatively easy. There's two on each side. The bracket's in the back cover, and then it latches right here. And then you can pull this little lever to unlatch it. Then there's one right here. That's about it. The rest is clips. It's all done. I don't know if I added this in the last one, but on these sides there's two clips. Well, one on each side. And then the top just slides in.